Hello sir, I'm just demonstrating a vehicle how to do decarbonizing. So this is Mercedes Benz, right? What steps you need to follow? First of all, open the bonnet, right? Open the hose from a screwdriver. This is the air filter hose. Insert the HHO gas output pipe into the hose, right? Connect it properly. Now take this HHO cutoff sensor. You have to just connect anywhere on the vehicle bay where it get vibration, right? So we have connected the vibration sensor on the vehicle. Now start the vehicle. First you need to start the vehicle engine on idle mode and keep the AC button off. Don't switch on the AC. Keep AC, music system, everything off. So now the vehicle is on off condition. Now come to the machine, switch on the MCB, rotate the rotary to automatic, right? LCD screen will get on. Now select the vehicle category which you want to do, car, truck, whatever, like just I have selected car. You can skip this and now select the engine cc and kilometer. Now the time comes, right, automatically. Now just you have to press start button. Now you can see on blinking, gas generation light started, right? Gas also started. The gas is generating well, right? Make sure your vibration sensor like this is connected well, the HHO output pipe. Wait for the time completion. You will get a time completion buzzer on HMI. Right now it is, you can see the reverse timing. So the service is just to finish, only 55 seconds it is remaining. When the service get completed, you will get an alarm, as well as you can see a text message on your HMI, the service is completed. Just press OK, just press OK, right? You have to just, the gas is cut off, right? Machine got off. Just press OK on the LCD screen. Yes, press OK, right? Switch off the MCB. Okay, now switch off the vehicle engine. Reconnect your air filter hose, right? Tighten the screw. Take out the HHO cutoff sensor from the vehicle. The vehicle is, service is completed. Now you can take a test drive.